We spent the last month updating one of the bathrooms at my parents' house. It's finally finished and we're sharing the reveal today. My parents bought their house almost 15 years ago. It's an old Greek revival built in the 1800s. They did do some pretty big renovations in other parts of the house when they first bought it, but this bathroom just got a few basic upgrades and really wasn't touched other than that. The floor and shower recently started having some issues, so they decided it was time to update it and asked if I would help out with the design work. Mike was already lined up to do the construction part. So here's a detailed look at the before of the bathroom. I think the only new things they put in when they bought it were the vanity and cabinet. And the wood wall went in to cover up some pipes that they had to run upstairs. So everything was pretty dated. This old linoleum floor definitely needed to go. The window sadly has to be replaced as well. I love old windows and so does my mom, but this window is so drafty. The new window still hadn't come by the time everything else was done, but it will be replaced soon. I actually didn't hate the wallpaper. I feel like this style wallpaper is kind of having its moment again, but my mom was ready for a change. The old shower was leaking and having some issues, so that was the main thing that needed to be replaced and what started this whole bathroom update. Here's a little peek during the renovation process. Wallpaper gone, shower, sink, and toilet gone. And here's the finished bathroom. We turned an old dresser we bought off Facebook Marketplace into the bathroom vanity. We'll be sharing a tutorial for how we did this in a future video. We replaced the old toilet. My grandpa was an artist and we hung a couple of his paintings in the bathroom. I love this one above the toilet. We did beadboard panel on the bottom half of the wall and added wooden pegs for towel hooks. For the design, I not only tried to incorporate things my parents wanted, but also to make it feel like things fit with this old Greek revival house. We used waterproof luxury plank vinyl for the flooring. The mirror is an old one that my parents bought right after they got married. It was painted when they bought it, so we stripped it down and I was excited to see that the wood tone matched the vanity pretty well. We did tile walls for the shower and put in a glass door. Then we also added in some shower grab bars as well, and we'll be sharing how to install those in another video. Hope you enjoyed this bathroom makeover. You can see photos on the blog, which is linked below. Be sure to subscribe to our channel to see more DIYs from this space.